Style. I do the type of things that make you go. Check this out, white, black. Da da da, the remix. Check me out while I brush your eye out so deep. The pumping on front, that ass will crip. Cause one of the brothers talk a lot smack, they might get blasted. Crazy scope to brother, not the Irishman. All I wanna do is just have some fun, then take a cunt. Cause brothers run away with guns. I got my price, I just don't like cops. I heard a rap cool, y'all, I'm busting your shunt. All crap on the law, I take a high more slam. I swoop around the pole like a pad on nowhere. New rough wake, a high later. I cut your eyeballs up like I'm a user for a racer. To tell your truth, don't get too high through. With the same ass rhymes and the same ass school. We got the new rough waker on the hip posse, babe. New rough waker on the hip posse, babe. New rough waker on the hip posse. A DIT, who should kick it one time. Rugged, the project like forwards. Illuminati cat like Shapping on Worldway. That means I always shot your ass up like I might be in the darkness. Like the old fat like fartness. Like the whole police asked me, kill the one white person, kill the other white boy, the white girl. He might get that blast on that D. Made me like a Shadley on rap beats that make me yo new up dark side wafer. I take it out of that light so full weights. I take it up the suck of the glass. I make a pump and make a high fear. I put around the dark area with the high leer, full clear, pump out the funk real fast. Shout up the mad like whole fun fast. Now shut the hell up, I put my motherfucking magnum right in your head and blast your ass up, cause I'm juiced like DMS. Whole rat either less, make a high lead dead. Whip some crap like a dark man feed. I split your cream, now I took your cream. That means I lick a lash like an old feed. This that hot shit, the one I just rap like an Ava. New rough waker, the one I bust your eye out so deep. Whole rat Ava. New rough waker on the hip posse, babe. New rough waker on the hip posse, babe. New rough waker on the hip posse. A cent, we should kick it one time. Check it out. The 1, 2, the mix, the pump funk, the oh hide the clap like the old foes, the old lows to take like fairness. High like family with the dark man feed. Timberland boots all night, bust your head out, hold deuce, and they fucking no busting head out. I just stomp his face out with my Timberland boots, make some like a dog man feast. Make up that weast, that make a high week, make a high feet. I blow your ass up with the 10 deep. Make these that clay grease that make up the wet beast that take all the mass in the shade like BC. Proof up massy, the shoot up lassie. Now this is the 20s. Don't jock us, don't blue me, don't cook me, don't move me. If you do, I sponge your ass and I put your ass in the cross and make sure you shine like a damn Jesus. Burn you like an Jesus. That means I burn you with the hell sword, the darkest, the longest that make up the Barbie. I use a flame for and burn white people in their face. Make sure they're all dead in the ground. Darkest crap, the one I just burn your eyes fat. That means I use a flame for a bunch of eye and burn your eyes so fast and make sure you all dead in the desert. This is a new rough waker on the hip posse, babe. New rough waker on the hip posse, babe. New rough waker on the hip posse, babe. Now you said, watch you kick it one time. Hey, check it. AT1 the ticks, A1D. Make and feed. Suckers don't speak with me and my lyrics and my songs and our track. The one we make on with 10 tracks. We out, rolled up. We keep that hot and right. Never think with this kid right here. I blast that kid, I keep my own shit, make hype and own rap. Rip some crap like the duck man, old free. The old free like Shan Reese, the cold Reese, the old Reese, the cut Reese. Make all the love beat, check it out, black. This right here might pump the real funk in the favorite air. Whole strapped in the clear like and that's the whole up, the old coat, the old one. Hip velocity is the dark side flavor. New rough breaker on the hip posse, babe. New rough breaker on the hip posse, babe. New rough breaker on the hip posse, babe. A-Set, watch you how big you are, Raker. New rough breaker on the hip posse, babe. New rough breaker on the hip posse, babe. New rough breaker on the hip posse, babe. 100 A-Set. Watch you kick it one time. Hold stiff with the bass like in the koofy. Make all woozy. Now check it out, white, black. to all the river Kool-Aid for all the beautiful consortia. Talk for all the buck that made high Nazi, made in Nazi, the Nazi. Taking the suck of the grassy with the ivy. New rough raker, take a raper, but she had out so deep, cut your eyeliner like I'm using a razor or blade or even motherfucking knife. That means I cut you so deep. Recognize this crap, motherfucker. What? That means I always stun your ass up with the fika made type. But that sucker come out my way home. Like fat, like old bat, that's up like cut shot the man. Here comes that old news, the banola. Whole crap booter with that like booba. I always brash up with the bun-nut clock. Make a two for off the one-nut clock. Sucker is crazy nut, the AP crop, the maybe what. I take a duck man feet like a baby fuck. Sunglass, even black glass I wear. I don't see nobody think I got punched by the black eye. I don't get punched by the black eye. I just wear that nobody cannot punch my white eye. That means I just shine. Shine when I'm using the AK and shot that sucker in the face. That means he's all shot in the face. I never shot in the head. I just shot him in the face. Make sure he robbed highly. He got robbed so deep. One of my dark sides ain't fast robbed that sucker. That means he take a lot of shiny sheen that pay and wait that pay wait hates like an old man dates. Make the old wait like in their fate. Taking up buckshot late. Whole wrap the clay like the hat like a safe from the make up the maple make up and way through. New rough breaker sucker, new rough breaker on the hip hop super, new rough breaker on the hip hop super, new rough breaker on the hip hop seeker. Yo, oh y'all one time. Yo, here comes that high clap, if a wall clip, make it so fit, make it all woven, it's so quick, I blow whip, then make up the low bit, make it up dark area with the phone clear, hold back deal with the shot like a deal, and take it off the buckshot, make all fair, F buckshot and F the black moon, I blast him, I roast him, I burn him, that means he's all dead, that gone with the hardcore, make up the hardcore, make it tough to end the pub with the hardcore, the low for the mofo, taking out short fan, taking those shorts off the road. Yo, the old flow, yo, make a Tobio, but the high clip air fair, make it so real like you can't feel. The gut feel like it, that's the pump, like a moke on the dirt, like shabby butt. Hold bass, any lover on the mofa. Here comes that new rough breaker, the one I just but head out so deep with the bass sucker. New rough breaker on the hip hop C-Bay, new rough breaker on the hip hop C-Bay, new rough breaker on the hip hop C-Bay. Those sides ain't that we kick at one time. Yeah. Volume 15 in your head, sucker. You better run so deep, you never run. Let me stand here about to get shot by the dark sides ain't fast. Yeah, new rough breaker, new rough breaker, new rough breakers at one time. Dark sides ain't family, black family in the house, dark skin family on the track. Yeah, new rough breaker, new rough breaker on time, new rough breaker, new rough breaker, new rough breaker, new rough breaker. New rough breaker.